and a very warm welcome to this video recording. If you've been to a dentist to have your teeth whitened, you'll be only too aware that most people regard the price paid or quoted as being high, anywhere from approximately £199 to £400 plus. Then you find different dentists tend to offer one of three possible options. One may say they do their whitening by laser only. Another may say they use laser and supply a kit to continue the whitening yourself at home. And a third dentist may say their method is via the supply of a home teeth whitening kit only. We've never met any customer of ours who said they were offered all three options by one dentist. So basically, if you don't like what's being offered, you have to decline and shop around. But not any longer, because we offer all three of those services and at a fraction of the cost of a dentist. Details of all three choices are on our website, and which option you decide on is largely down to what you want to achieve. With laser only, when the self-administered sessions are complete, then obviously there are no more, until a future date, that is, which is presumably when and if you decide you'd like a top-up. Now with laser and the home kit, the laser will begin the process, but when the sessions are finished, that's not the end. Because with our massive 120 millilitres of whitening gel, which comes with all of our kits, you can then go on to fine-tune, enhance and maximise your laser result until you reach your own personal goal. Finally, there's our kit-only option. This contains the identical gel that your dentist will have used, but at a much lower cost, and you'll receive a lot more gel from us, which can be used for future top-ups, thereby saving you even more money. Now the kit-only option obviously takes longer to achieve the end result, 2 to 3 weeks approximately, dependent on the level of change you're seeking. But this is a perfect lowest cost choice for those who prefer a slower pace or simply don't mind taking their time. So as a brief synopsis of the three options available from us, the laser by itself is a great fit if you want a faster result and you'll accept the change obtained. The second option, the laser and the home kit, will allow you to achieve your personal level of enhancement quicker. And the third choice, the home kit only, well, your personal enhancement will also be achieved, but it will simply take a little longer, perhaps 1 to 3 weeks on average.